how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow anyone to send you messages on Instagram. This includes people you follow and people you don't follow. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to allow message request from anyone on Instagram, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select your profile icon on the bottom right of the app to go to your profile. Once you're on your Instagram profile, select the three lines in the top right to open the menu, and then select settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, scroll down and under how others can interact with you. Select messages and story replies. So from here, we just want to select message controls. Now we just need to make sure that the first two options, first your followers on Instagram, select that, and then select message request. After that, select others on Instagram. So this will be everyone else on Instagram, including people that you don't follow or don't follow you, and just select message request. So as you can see, it says message request from other accounts on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder unless you choose not to receive them. So now we've allowed message requests from everyone on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel EasyKnowHow. Thank you so much for watching.